Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Golf R now that it's broken in. It's at about 1,000 miles. And we're also going to be lowering it with racing line springs. He's got a coffee maker, fridge stocked up with water, flat screen TV, and everyone's favorite, the black couch. If you want to work here, this is one of the requirements. You gotta sit on this couch and tell them what you're willing to do for that paycheck. If you have any VHS tapes that you would love to watch, bring it by at Altered Components and maybe you can sit down on the couch with Josh and watch your favorite movie together on VHS. After 1,000 miles, I got pretty used to the car and how it feels, how it drives, and I can definitely say that the sway bars and the lowering springs made the car just feel so much better. It feels more connected, and I think with better tires, this car will be absolutely perfect. I'll be getting new wheels for it here pretty soon, and it's coming along pretty nicely. This car was supposed to stay stock, and I think it still counts as stock if it's just bolt-ons. And the parts look OEM, and so you can't really tell. Also, the Akrapovic exhaust from Volkswagen, it's amazing. It's crazy that we have it in North America, finally. And yeah, the sway bars, definitely you can feel the difference just from the hardware alone, and then just from driving it, it just feels more connected to the ground. It doesn't have like that wavy feel from the OEM, so highly recommend it. Definitely recommend those parts. Definitely recommend bringing it to Josh here. He knows what he's doing. Look how perfect these springs look. Shout out Andrew at ORT for hooking me up with these lowering springs and the sway bar. I also want to give a huge shout out to CarPro for making Wheel X. This thing is so awesome. I just had to comment on it again. It's completely touchless. As you can see, I just sprayed it with water and then I sprayed it with the Wheel X, let it sit for a few minutes, spray it off, and you'll see how crazy clean it is after. That's crazy, because these wheels are not even ceramic coated because they're gonna come off the car pretty soon anyway, so I didn't feel the real need to do so. But yeah, just using Wheel X, look at this, that's freaking crazy. Highly recommend it. Buy it, you get 10% off with my code, so it's a win-win. Just try it out.